Okay, we have another design system that's more modern. It's free and they have a spatial mode. That's gonna be quite interesting. Okay, I took a look. They do have variables for a bunch of stuff, so that this should be fun. It's very well crafted. I do like the look and feel as well as the attention to detail. Can see some inspiration from Johnny Ives Airbnb. But yeah, otherwise it's pretty clean, pretty well done. I do not like the column stuff on tables though. People really need to change that. The library seems to be pretty straightforward. You even have colors for spatial, which is like a theme that they offer. Yeah, super nice, super well done, especially if you need this new Apple spatial stuff. Clean, nice, covers everything, good contrast, nothing much to complain about, you know. It doesn't have a lot of examples and stuff, but you know, other than that, looks pretty cool. I'm actually curious what happens if I just, sorry, if I just go ahead and duplicate this and I do dark mode. Kind of what I expected. Not bad, not bad at all. Well done. It's super snappy. I do like this.